कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट. प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या.
So under the Cyber Surakshit Goa campaign, we have been conducting this kind of programs throughout Goa, educating and making people aware about different types of cybercrime, how to remain safe, and what are the points which we need to take into mind whenever we are doing anything online. Basic thing is that because nowadays we are seeing that cybercrime is at rise. So the only way we can protect ourselves is through awareness. If we are aware, then only. So that's why we have been contacted by the father, Freddy, and he requested us to have a session for villagers and people of Calangute, and accordingly we took that session.
So, what was the main thing you all have highlighted?
Main thing we have highlighted are different types of cybercrime which are prevailing right now in India, especially in Goa, and how to be safe. And what are the things we need to verify first before locking to any online activity.
आयज पळय आमी हांगासर हे सायबर क्रायम प्रोग्राम हो अवेरनेस केला. कित्याक आयच्या ह्या समाजान असल्यो जायत्यो क्रिमी जातात. जशें आयज आमकां कळयलां ते भाशेन दिसाक 20,000 सुमार भारतांत जाता आनी आमच्या गोंयांतूय हें पावलां आनी हें घडटा. आमकां जाय आमी हार्ड अर्न केल्ले पयशे आमचे सेफ उरपाक आनी देखून हो प्रोग्राम आमी घडोवन हाडलेलो. असल्यो क्रिमी आमच्या गांवांत जायना जावं आनी आमच्या लोकांक दिशी सुरक्षा दिवंक आनी ती समजणी दिवंक. कित्याक ह्याचेर आमकां चडसो वळख ना. आमी हें खंय शिकोवंकूय आमकां मेळ्ळो ना. देखून आयज आमकां हो सर येयल्लो इन्स्पेक्टर येवन आमकां ताणें ही जायती वळख दिली आनी आमच्या लोकांक ती फायद्याक पडटली ही आमची आशा.
Today, Inspector has really given us a good talk on cyber cafe, and we have really got the knowledge how to save our money. Because nowadays you can hear every time that so much of money has been taken away. It's just a phone call. So at least we have got the tips, and we thank our Patrigar, Social Action Cell, all that they are doing.